From the Phemex homepage, you can look up at the top and find Buy Crypto, then select Buy Crypto with Credit Card. It'll bring you to this page where you can select which crypto you want to buy, and then your buy-in amount, and select which kind of credit card you'd like to pay with. Then click Buy Now. From here, you can select which payment channel. This time, let's choose Banksa. Click Buy. And then, since this is a third-party channel, then you're going to need to go to their platform to pay. So click to pay on Banksa. Here you'll need to do some KYC process. So you can enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and then select your country of residence. Make sure all of this information matches the information on your ID card, because this will be used for KYC. Then click Submit Verification. Then you're going to need to upload your ID. So again, pick your country, select the type, then select files of pictures of the front and the back of your ID, following these requirements. Once you've uploaded pictures of the front and back of your ID, then you can click Continue. Then you need to provide a selfie of yourself holding your ID so that you can pass KYC, show that you are the owner of this ID. Once you've uploaded this image, click Continue. Then you need to select your purpose for trading. Click Confirm, then Continue. Then you'll get here where you can add your card info. Once you've entered the card number, then put in your name if you're the card holder, and then the expiration date, and the security code from the back of your card. And then finally you can click Make Payment.